Because there are lies when it comes to apartment buildings. What are the greatest lies in apartment buildings when you're buying? What does the seller tell you? One.
There's damage when there actually is.
Yeah. It does not need that much work. Oh, you know, you go up on the roof, and it's like, this roof needs changing. Oh, no, it doesn't. It just needs some paint. What paint? There are holes. I can see the kitchen here for the unit downstairs. It's just you get like a little piece of whatever. This is patching. All day long. The other lie. What's another lie?
Inflated rent.
Huh?
Inflated rent.
Yeah. Well, here is the line, the way I give it to you about the rent. You, like the guy that tells me, you can charge higher rent. And I say to the seller, I can charge higher? Why? Well, because the rent we're charging today is way lower than the comparable rents. That's the line. You're going to hear this all the time, okay? So if you can charge higher rent, how come you didn't do it? Oh, if I do it, they will leave. Well, they will leave me too. Oh, no, you don't understand, Cherif. If you buy, they don't know you. But me, I have rapport with them. You have rapport with them and they will leave. They don't know me from Adam. I buy, raise rent, they're going to say, forget it, and they will leave. Actually, ironically, when I bought the pink building here, we just closed a couple months ago, and we went and told them, hey, you guys know, you remember the 3-bedroom, 2-bath we toured downstairs where we have the cannabis in the corner? Okay, and we went downstairs inside the 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and Mauricio said we're going to rent it for $3,000. And I don't know if I mentioned to you, it was rented for like $1,450 to an attorney. And when we told him, hey, Cherif, they said, Cherif Medawar bought it. He said, oh, I know he's going to raise the rent. I want out. So when I met the guy, I said, you're not upset, right? You understand? He said, yeah, I know I was paying way below market, but so don't worry. So he went to the other building, which is the Guest Jeans on the corner. And a month later, the owner who was dying said, I want to give you an option to buy it. So Mauricio is like, whoa, the tenants that we kicked out from here went there, and now they're going to know you're going to buy it. You're going to kick them out. They'll be like, is this guy's chasing us? But you know what I mean? That is truly lower rent. It was like in black and white, $1,450 for something worth $3,000. Why? Because the owner told them, you don't call me for any leaks. You don't call me for any problems. I don't want to hear anything. Well, I come in, I fix the buildings, and we maintain them. That's what you want to do. So you explain. But these are the lies in apartment buildings. Oh, it does not need that much work. We have no deferred maintenance. Oh, you can charge higher rent. The third one, these are all the expenses. Right? So I let them talk. So what are the expenses? Oh, this and this, especially mom and pop operation. They don't have a real Excel sheet with the P&L, profit and loss. Oh yeah, this is what we pay here. Oh, we pay nothing for this and this and this. Oh, so I get them to relax completely. You want them to drop their guards. Oh yeah, oh that's great. I'm laughing. I'm looking at my phone when it's talking and all this. And so how much you pay for the trash? Oh, pay for the trash, nothing. We pay like maybe $600 a month for the whole building and this. Why I see that. And then I say, okay, can I now see the trash bills? I don't know, we don't have them here. I didn't know you were going to ask for this. See my point? Oh, look, the garbage company is charging you $1,200. He said $600. I must have made a mistake. Now, all what he said, I don't trust. So show me the common area invoice for the utilities. Show me this, show me that. Because why are they selling? Maybe they know something we don't know. Do some more research. So these are the 3 common challenges I have to run into when they tell me there is no deferred maintenance. You don't have to worry, you don't have to worry. Well, I don't know about roofs. I'm no expert. I told you I can't hang a picture on the wall, so I have to bring an inspection expert, a company that can inspect. I actually go and get the comparable rents. And if it's not a dramatic increase, then I don't count on that. And I got to check the expenses. Show me proof. Tell me and show me, and tell me and show me. Okay?